right. Good day, everyone, and welcome back to this YouTube channel, uh, Creative Digital. In this tutorial today, we are going to be discussing social media tool called Buffer. Buffer is a social media tool that handles your posting on social media, handles you can schedule your post, and it does it seamlessly. uh, One of the reasons why we are going to be discussing the reasons why we prefer to use Buffer because there are a lot of other tools. There are other tools I've tried to use. I've used Hootsuite. I've used Social Pilots. I've used Send Inbuild. I've used a couple of tools to send social media posts. You know, if you are like me, you realize posting, if your business, you have a growing business, realize posting on social media on every day, going to each platform to post is quite tedious. So you need a tool that can actually post, like can schedule the post. You can sit and schedule some posts and it will send automatically. And one of the reasons why I love Buffer is the fact that it has a free plan. It has a free plan for you to start using it, and before you can grow, probably upgrade to the bigger plans. I think that's a no-brainer for me. The moment I see you, for example, let's go to Hot Suits. You check out Hot Suits, and you check their plans. They actually offer similar service, but if you check their plans, you realize they don't have a free plan, although they have a free trial, free 30-day trial, but they don't have a free plan, which is a no for me. Since at least you have to, if you're a beginner, or if you're just using, you have to know the software before probably providing anything like your credit card details or whatever. So, but as for Buffer, you can see they have a free plan, a free forever plan, before you can actually start seeing other plans. You see the free plan. So that's one of the reasons. Apart from that, when we go to the tool, I'm going to tell you more about it. But other features, other added features that made me prefer using Buffer over Social Pilot by Dropship, Ali Dropship. There's a tool, a social media tool developed by Ali Dropship, a social pilot tool that does similar function. But I found it my experience with it was not as good as that of Buffer, because most of my accounts, social media accounts, were later banned because of that tool, because it keeps posting, and it's not as easy as Buffer to use. And Buffer is more easy to customize, to handle. Without wasting much time, let's dive straight into the Buffer tool. All right, then from here, you can start your free plan. Let's start the free plan. Then enter your no. I would like to start an account from the scratch. This is an existing account which I wouldn't want to use. I would like to create a new account for this tutorial. Now, using this email, this digital and pretty. put a password. It will sign up. Apologies, there was an error. Okay, let's try it again. Traffic lights. Good. So now we have created this. We have created an account, a fresh account, a fresh buffer account. So we are going to the next step to do is to link them to your social media pages or handles or group, as the case may be, or the business account, as the case may be. So as you can see from here, this shows you on Instagram, you can use it to post on your Instagram account. On Facebook, you can use it to post on your page or on a group, if you have a group on Facebook. On Twitter, you can post on your profile. On LinkedIn, you can post on your page and profile. While on Pinterest, you can use it to post on your profile. So whichever way you want to go about it, you can see whichever social media handle you want to connect with, you can use it. And at the same time, I would like to say this: if you are just starting online, I would not recommend you to use to attach it to all your social media handles. You have to select a particular handle that works with your business. If your business is a visual business, select a visual social media handle that you are using, like Instagram and probably LinkedIn. LinkedIn is more like a professional social media, while Twitter is more like a microblogging platform. Whichever way, depending on what message you are trying to pass in your business. Let's continue. Okay, we can still attach. Okay, let's attach a Facebook page. I would like to attach a Facebook page to it. Start connecting. Automatically, if you have logged in with your browser on Facebook, automatically to pull out your Facebook details, and you can just select select the page or the group you want this tool to be posting at. You want it to be posting. Okay, it's loading. Wow. So it's, as you can see, it's connected. As you can see, it's connected. The Facebook page, the Facebook account here is connected. So now you just attach a particular Facebook page to this. So if you want to post, similarly, you can attach your Instagram, your Twitter, and the other channels. Once you want to do, you can see them from here. Assuming there's no limit to what you can actually do with the tool here. You can use it to analyze while it's working. You can still analyze the performances of what you've been posting, but that's not what where I would like to go now. As you can see, these are the channels. These are the channels you have connected. Since you have connected on Facebook, Facebook is going to be, as you can see, the page you connected to. It's going to bring out the page details, the impression, the total engagement, and that's that. All right. So after assuming you have connected your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, your LinkedIn, and your Shopify account, you have connected them. The next thing is to publish. The next thing is to publish on your account. Probably create a post, create whatever you want to create. Let's say you want to create a post. I'm sure I can create a post on this place. You can just create a post you want to create. Let's say you have this let's say want to post something. Let me see if I can get a content from that. You create a content, just paste it there, or you type a content, whichever way. All right, let's say I want to copy something like this. Yes, you go to where you want to post it. You paste whatever you want to paste. Whenever you put a URL, an image is going to pop out from here. An image is going to pop out because of the URL you put here. This feature was not there some time ago. They are still trying to improve their platform, and that is awesome. If you want to choose an image, you can still choose an post you want to choose. You can select it here, select the image. You can pick it from your desktop or from whatever you saved it from. So you can see, you can link your Canva and link it to Canva. You can select the file from Dropbox. You can select the file from Google Drive. You can select it from OneDrive, regardless. So as you can see, so now assuming, let me select an image here. Let me select an image from the desktop. Let me assume it's a product. Okay. Although it doesn't really match up, but I just want to show you something from here. As you can see, so once you are through with this, you can now share. You can either add more photos, either share now or share next, or you can schedule a post. So this is the sweet part of this tool. Instead of going to your Facebook page to just drop a post anytime and just post it immediately, you can actually schedule it and decide when you want it to show. Probably if you have discovered a particular time where your users get more engaged to your content, you can just choose that particular date and continue with your engagement. So that is it for posting. So once you are done, you schedule it. Assuming you want to schedule it for February 14th, which is Valentine. You can see, great, this post has been scheduled. So when you come to queues, automatically you are going to see one post on queue. This is the product the post we just created, and this is the image. As you can see from here, you can see share now. You can see edit it. You can delete it if it's no longer valid. So you can see right from here, you can create more content. You can assuming you want to create a post for Tuesday, you can just schedule a post here, and you create a post, write the post content, select the image if it has an image, and it will be scheduled automatically on that date. So yes, that's it. So there's no limit to what you can do with this social media platform, social media handling tool. And don't forget what we just discussed. You create an account with it, a free account. It has a free account, and it also has a 14 days free trial. That is, if you want to try out a paid packages, you can have access to 14 days trial. So from there, after creating an account, you link it up to with your social media pages or groups. It could be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, just like you have seen. And after that, then you create your post, or whatever it is, you schedule your post depending on what plan you have. If you have on the free plan, there's a limit to the number of posts you can post, a maximum of 10 posts in a month. 10 or 20 or 10, just 10, yeah. So if you start seeing positive engagement, positive growth from your social media, you can decide to go for a higher plan, try out the higher subscription for 14 days, then upgrade to it. All right, that being said, we have come to the end of this very tutorial. If you have a question regarding this very tool so far, you can drop it in the comment section. I will try my best to reply you, and if you have any suggestion, if you have a particular tool that you are using and you feel you would like me to know about it, or you'd like to share it, you can also state it in the comment section. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to encourage us to produce more videos like this in the nearest future. And don't forget to turn the notification bell so that you will be among the first to receive notification whenever we drop a valuable content like this. Thank you very much, and see you next time.